Hello pretty people. Okay, so today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I have done one of these before. I'm going to be doing like an anti-tutorial skincare video. It's just going to be a lot of updated products. And I can do it from my bathroom because I like this bathroom. The last bathroom that I filmed from, I didn't actually film from the bathroom, just the products that I had to wash off my face. I went and did that off camera, but I'm happy to do that all in this bathroom because this is a it's a nice bathroom. So I'm going to take my lashes off, which is one of the most satisfying parts of this whole thing. Oh boy, I love that feeling. Now this isn't usually like a popular thing. I actually do like using face wipes. These are the Johnson's face wipes. I buy these in bulk packs because they get the bulk of the makeup off it. You know, it's not the only thing I use, so never fear. This look that I am wearing, it is part of a collaboration. It's just something that you'll see later, maybe.
Hello.
Hi. Just close the door. I'm gonna take my earrings out too in a minute. The only thing I don't like about this bathroom is that there's not a lot of natural light, so it's quite dark in the mornings when you want to shower. And for example, I cleaned the shower this morning and it was hard to see a lot of things. I should have had this ring light with me then. Okay, so next I'm going to cleanse my skin, and I use this pretty much morning and night. This is the Skin Physics Dragon's Blood Gentle 3-in-1 Advanced Treatment Cleanser, and gently cleanses, exfoliates and deeply moisturizes. Oil foaming wash with honey and leaves skin soft, hydrated and renewed. I use this in the shower every morning, and then I also use it when I take my makeup off. And the woman who sold this to me at Priceline, she said that it's fine to use both morning and night. It's gentle enough to do that. Almost out. That's how much I love it. I've had it since April. It's now October. Well, it's end of October. Which is why I'm starting my Christmas stuff now. And just rinsing that. I'm not using the exfoliating thing. I do use another scrub. Face washer. Flannel. Different names where you're from. Now I originally thought it was acne. Turns out it's just congested pores. I've had it for a long time. This one's a pimple because, you know, I'm hormonal. But it's just congested pores. I am going to use a scrub here. This is the Nature Wellness Body Scrub. It's apricot scented. Usually I don't like apricot, but I do like apricot the Santa apricot, which is really weird. I just got some on my shirt. It smells incredible. I think this is my third jar. I use the jars for little things when they're for other things when they're finished anyway, so it's alright. I'm just gonna wet the skin down. I'm only gonna put it sort of in the T-zone area because otherwise I'm kind of wiping the bacteria around. And sorry that I'm not looking at the camera because the light is in the way. It's kind of blinding, and it's really hard to see where the actual lens is. Just the sort of bony parts. Now I'm trying to make the conscious effort to look into the camera as I speak. I learned a tip from Samantha Ravindale that it is great to wash your face with cold water because the hot water is actually what dries out your skin. My brows are in the best shape they've been in a long time. I had them threaded the other day and I'm not sorry. That feels nice. Actually, I'm ready to take these nails off. The short-lived thing. Now for toner, I think toner is actually really quite important. I've been loving using T&N Dickinson's Witch Hazel. It says gentle, like it's got a really strong smell to it though, but I don't know, I like the strong, for some reason I quite like strong products. I don't know why, I just feel they work. Plus that also takes off extra product. Now for the most part, I'd usually be doing a mask with my skincare routine. I'm not going to do one today because I've already done 2 in the last week. This is the Neutrogena Purifying Boost Clay Mask Purifying. Like I said, I'm not going to use it today, but I'm going to feature it anyway because it is good. I am beginning to see a reduction in these spots. I just like anything that says purifying, so I just feel like I've used the mask enough in the last week. I just don't see the need for it right now. I'm probably really dry out my skin. I am now going to use eye cream. This is the Natio Delicate Eye Cream from the Aloe Vera range. I think this range has been discontinued. Big fan of eye cream if I can get it affordably. Right, so this next product is from a brand that I have been wanting to try for a really long time, but I wasn't sure which way to go, so it was recommended to me. It's from The Ordinary. So basically the whole idea of The Ordinary is that they have specified ingredients for whatever skin concern. So mine is dehydration. This is the hyaluronic acid. So this is the hyaluronic acid serum. It's B5. She did say, the lady who sold it to me did say just wet the skin a little bit because it absorbs into the skin better. Because obviously if your skin's dry, it's just going to stay on the skin. You want it to absorb, you want it to hydrate your skin. Just a little in the tip pipette. I love this stuff. I didn't really see much point in serums. Oh no, it's not the Z in my eyebrow. It does leave quite a tacky feeling. I hate wearing my hair up. My hairline has changed so much in the last year. I've got like a prenatal, like a postnatal hairline minus the kids. Postnatal is the word I was looking for. To help with the spots, I am going to go in with Benzoic AC 2.5% benzoyl peroxide. I put it, I know it's only 2.5%, but I find if you put it on with the skin by itself, it does leave a really odd white cast. And it's drying. So this is just a spot treatment. And then I'm just using a moisturizer. This is a body moisturizer from Aveeno. Makes my skin feel so good. Some people might think it's a little bit rich for them. I find like if you can give me all the hydration, why not? My skin just feels great after this. Like nourished. Something I can add. And that, pretty people, is my end of day take off the makeup routine, pretty much daily routine, sometimes even mornings. So I'll do that same thing, and I just like to take the time out of my day to do that. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned some things. I hope could even get some recommendations of products if you have similar skin. My skin is kind of combination, but it is a little bit dehydrated in places. In the winter it dries out like crazy. So these are the products that work best for me. Who knows, I hope I've taught somebody something. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay classy, kids.